Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about the Quicken Simplify budgeting plan tutorial. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do here is you just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Quicken Simplify. Okay, so type out Quicken and you'd be able to see this website. So you just have to simply tap on this one. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and it would be directed to this page where you have to choose your plan. But since we are not really going to subscribe to a plan because it costs too much, so what I'm going to do here is I am just going to discuss to you the budgeting plan and how it works. Okay, so we can visualize our income, the bills, subscription, and savings, and always know how much you have available after expenses. So you can treat yourself guilt free or route it to a rainy day fund, no guesswork required. Okay, so let's just go to the budgeting. Okay, so budget with as much or as little detail as you like. So, no matter how you budget, you'll get a unique insight you won't find anywhere else. And how to simplify make the budgeting easier. So budget in details or keep inflexible. Either way, you'll always know exactly what you have left to spend or save, updated in real time. So to see a glance what you can spend or save. So the simplify keeps track of your income, expenses, savings goals, and any other spending throughout the month. So in real time, so you always know what you have available. All right, and use any budgeting method you like so you can adapt to any system. Zero sum, envelope 50, 30, 20, anything, or just use what we built in. Either way, you will always know what's left to spend or save. All right, so the best way to save more money, include your savings goals, and your budget. So when you add your savings goals to your monthly budget, Quicken will help you make sure they're covered automatically. And you can discover the bills and subscription you don't need. So you can see all your recurring bills and subscription in one convenient list and easily identify and flag anything you're not using so you can cancel it and save. So, how does the spending plan work? Okay, so first you complete your financial world all in one place. So, with the and much 14,000 financial institutions supported, the Quicken boosts industry-leading connectivity, manage each of your accounts with up-to-date transactions and balances for each, and all automatically and in one place. You can also get personalized budget. So you can set up your monthly spending plan based on your actual income and bills. Change anything you like and add other spending too, like gas and groceries. You can create your own categories, tags, and flags. So Quicken comes with a full set of categories built in. Make any changes you like and add custom tags and flags to see and manage your spending however you want to. And roll over your extra spending or savings into next month. So, was your grocery bill higher than expected? Or did you spend less on gas? Roll your overspending and savings into next month if you want to. So, the chance is yours. Okay, so if you want to get this one, you just have to tap on the get started. Okay, so let me just go back here. Now, let's proceed to the next one. Okay, now let's go to the projected cash flow. So the days of shortfalls are over. So with the Quicken Simplifies projected cash flows, you will see the low balances coming weeks before they hit. Okay, so projected cash flows displays your bank balances over the weeks and months ahead, so you can avoid any shortfalls before they happen. So you can spot potential shortfalls, so easily find low points in your upcoming balance, slow your spending or transfer money from savings to keep from dropping below your comfort zone. And of course, you can get the insights you need so you can plan your spending in advance. So, what's the best timing for your next big purchase? With the projected cash flows, you can base the choice on actual data so you can spend with confidence. Next, you can save more money to see where you can save. The projected cash flows reveal the best times to save or invest. Identify when your balances are high each month so you know when to make those contributions. And you can plan your spending and your savings. First is you can see your cash balance always up to date. So the projected cash flows start with your current balance as you get paychecks, pay bills, or make other purchases, your balance adjusts automatically. And of course, view the upcoming paychecks and bills at a glance. So Quicken Simplify knows when you regularly schedules income and expenses will hit your account. It uses these to project your future account balances. And then check your balance up to a year in advance. So the Quicken Simplifies projected cash flows displays your future balances over any time frame you choose. So you can easily plan for high and low points. Next one. Okay, so let me just go back right here. Okay, so as you can see, in order for you to understand how you can work with your budgeting plan, you need to understand how the budgeting works in your projected cash flows. So it will help you determine once you are inside the tool. And here, as you can see, let's go to the features. Okay, let me just go back right there. And we go to the other apps. Okay, so here for the Quick and Simplify, as you can see, it works with any budget lifestyle. So for Rocket and ANAB, they don't have some of the features that the Simplify has. So it is an advantage if you're really planning to use the Quick and Simplify, especially when you're planning for your um, budgeting plan. And for the Quick and Simplify, they also have other products. Okay, so that's for personal finance. And if you want to see their classic products, just have to go here. That's right, and then you'd be able to see here now the different plans that you can subscribe to. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.